Hey friends, if you encounter download failed virus detected message in Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution, the process. Here's the thing. First of all, search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and go to Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner. Scroll down and click on settings. Click on reset settings, restore settings to the original default and reset settings. Once this is sorted out, then you can search for Windows security in the Windows search bar. Go to Windows security. Go to virus and threat protection. Select scan now, full scan, and run a full scan on your system. Once it is done, then you can restart your computer and you're sorted. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.